In developing countries worldwide, air pollution due to indoor cooking with biomass contributes to a wide range of adverse health effects, including acute lower respiratory infections. Women and children in rural Kenyan villages are especially susceptible to complications from these infections, as they are responsible for almost 400,000 deaths in children under the age of 5. The three-stone cooking method is the most common practice of indoor cooking in Kenya. This method of cooking results in a large amount of small particulate matter being produced during the cooking process, which is responsible for the development of acute lower respiratory infections. The three-stone cooking method is largely inefficient compared to other stoves, resulting in longer cook times, longer exposure to particulate matter, and larger consumption of fuel. Graduate students from the School of Public Health at Texas A&M teamed up to solve this pressing issue. Utilizing their backgrounds in environmental health, ergonomics, and human factors, they evaluated a current intervention, the volcano cook stove, and made recommendations for improvements to this cooking process.
Comparing the three-stone cook stove to the volcano stove, improvements were observed in PM 2.5 exposure with the volcano cook stove. Testing procedures included both a water boiling and controlled cooking test, both of which illustrated improvements in time to boil and fuel consumption using the volcano stove.
User testing was done with multiple women that were at the average height of Kenyan women. These women performed many tasks that would be common in the process of a woman in Kenya cooking the staple dish of the country, ugali, and then provided feedback on what they both liked and disliked for each individual task and for the parts of the cook stove that were related to those tasks.
A REBA assessment was conducted to evaluate the potential of any risk to the user while using the cook stoves. The final REBA score for the volcano showed the user is at medium risk due to poor posture while cooking, compared to a higher risk while using the three-stone cook stove. Based on the testing results, several recommendations were made to the design of the volcano stove in order to better suit the needs and ensure the safety of women in rural Kenya villages. Utilizing the improved volcano stove has the potential to reduce the risks associated with indoor cooking and provide a better, enjoyable cooking experience for the user.